Hello! If you are an affiliate marketer, I'm talking to you specifically. As you know, as you can see here, I put justdoall.com. So I'm an affiliate for Builderall. Builderall is a wonderful tool for digital marketing. It's very complete, it's unique, yes. But today I want to talk to you about System.io. Why? Because System.io is not like Builderall, okay? It's a more competitor of ClickFunnels. That means that it is focused on sales funnels, and that's what it does. Builderall is wonderful. It should you should have a Builderall account. That's for sure. That's my opinion. And as an affiliate marketer, you should promote Builderall to grow the user base of Builderall. It has a very bright future. But this tool, System.io, it's like a very cheap ClickFunnels. When I say very cheap, it's not the quality, it's the price. So you can see what the price is. Um, of course, your commissions as an affiliate will be less because it is 40% of the price. So just like ClickFunnels, 40%, but of a smaller price. And you have to think about the audience. Most people who are starting in online business, they don't have the kind of money that uh, ClickFunnels requires. And moreover, why should you go to ClickFunnels when you are a beginner, and even when you have a business online already with several tools? Why should you go to ClickFunnels? Of course, if the person already is on ClickFunnels, he is unlikely to move out of ClickFunnels, because if you have a business, then you are earning money, and so the price of the tool doesn't really matter. You can just increase your sales, increase your business, and you can stay on ClickFunnels. But otherwise, if you don't have to move, you are starting, or you can move from a system that is not optimal, like using several tools, then you can take System.io. It's very cheap. The entry price is $27. And why would people take System.io and not Builderall at the same price, about $29, with email marketing and website building in Builderall, so you can make sales funnels? Yes, of course. So they have the choice to take Builderall. In my opinion, it would be better to take Builderall, even the $29 plan, and then to upgrade to the $69. Okay, but you as an affiliate marketer, you should provide options to people, and of course advice. So you can say, start with Builderall. You have more power in the long run. But if you want simplicity, because there are not as many tools, maybe you should check out System.io also. Look at this, the all. Oh, so don't, we know it's marketing. So when they say the best all-in-one marketing software to launch your business, of course, all companies, they say we are the best. This is not very clever to write this, because the best all-in-one. And who is saying that? The person who sells the software. So it's a bit stupid to start like this. I read this, the best. Oh, okay, bye bye. You are not the best. If you say you are the best, so you are not, probably not. Uh, it's not someone else who say that. So anyway, the best all-in-one marketing software to launch your business. Save time and money by using only one tool to run your entire business. But don't take our word for it, and just see for yourself. Okay, I am looking for myself, yes. Start your free 14 days trial. No credit card needed. This is good because you can open an account and try it for free for 14 days, which is not the case on all tools. I think ClickFunnels, you need to put your credit card details for the 14 days free trial, and at the end of those 14 days, they will charge your credit card if you don't cancel. Here is not the same. On Builderall, it's not the same. You can open a free account, try it, and at the end of this trial, nothing happens. If you don't put your credit card uh, to activate your account to pay, then nothing happens. It's not like ClickFunnels. So you can try it. But as affiliate marketer, you will say that to other people. You try it, of course, because I'm telling you this one. I will go faster in this video. It's already 5 minutes. Why this one? Because at the end you can see that they say already 2,000 plus happy customers. Well, 2,000 is true, but most of them, they are French customers, because this software has been created by a French person with a team, international team of developers. But there are they are number one in the French market with 2,000 customers. For France, it's enough to be number one. So you see, in English, there are maybe a few dozens customers in English. So this is like a free market for you to go try it. You have a email list, send them to your affiliate link, send the people to your affiliate link so they can they can start a free trial, and let's see what happens. But you know, when you are sending an email about it, just don't talk only about this one. You say, because if you're an affiliate marketer of Builderall, you say, okay, so you know I'm promoting a Builderall, but there is also this one. Maybe you will like it better because some people like this one or this one. Try it, and if you have not yet tried the Builderall, also try it for the 7-day free trial. You can send them on the email 2 links, so they have a choice, and you don't force them into it. So here a few testimonials. So you can make sales funnels, of course. You have email marketing, but let's say it's a quite simple one, but at least it's here. And when I say simple one, in fact, it means it's not as advanced as a mailing boss for Builderall. It's not as advanced as Aweber, but it does the job of sending email campaigns and things like this, tracking, so automation. It's not simple. I mean, too basic. No, it's okay. Nice. Sell your online course. So it just means that you have a space to host your courses, online courses, if you want, and you can sell them. It's integrated. And then you can also do drop shipping because it handles physical products with specific features, like color, size. So you can use it for drop shipping. There is a small blog system, very simple also, let's say basic at the moment, because it's only out for a few months, but it does the job once again. Of course, not as good as WordPress or not as good as the blog system of Builderall, but if you want pages with links and articles, things like this, it works. You can run webinars, but they are evergreen webinars, which means they are pre-recorded, just a video playing, but acting as a webinar. Very simple one also, but integrated with email notifications. So you can have this. And what is good about it is that the affiliate program is integrated already. So you have the possibility to sell your products and have an affiliate program. So you can have affiliates selling your product. And some automation with rules and what to do with tags on contacts. That's it. So scale your business. We believe that System.io is the best tool to launch an online business, but it's also very powerful. What does it mean? We believe it's the best tool, but it is also very powerful. I was thinking, but it's also very cheap. But no, very powerful. It is what we use to run our entire online business and make over, so a figure, in revenue per month. So for this video, all I wanted to say is that this is a software with an affiliate program of 40% on the price, recurring for life, and you have a second level of 5%. So if you can bring in affiliates, at the bottom you have a link for the affiliate program. You can also send with your affiliate link to the affiliate program. So when people register, it's free to be an affiliate. When they register and they sell, you earn 5% on all their sales instead of 40% if you sell yourself. So let's take, for instance, $27. Well, you take 40% of this, and this is your monthly recurring income. For the other plans, you can see it goes to, so pricing, it goes to $97. $97 is, I think, the entry price of ClickFunnels, and here is the maximum, and you also earn 40%. So that's it for this video. Just want you to know that there is this product with affiliates. It's good. In my experience, I've been promoting in French, and they are paying every 10th once per month, the 10th, without problem, without any issue. They are paying via PayPal or bank transfer with TransferWise. If you have an account there. Um, what can I say? That's it. They are paying. The software is working very fine. Uh, they have become a number one in France in 2 years, in fact. Um, and they are launching in English, so all software is in English and Spanish. So if you are in the Spanish market, you can also try it. That's it. Of course, it's not like Builderall. It's like ClickFunnels is not a competitor of Builderall, and Builderall is in a unique software platform of tools, and you cannot do with System.io or ClickFunnels what you can do with Builderall. You cannot, but it's not for the same purpose. With Builderall, you can do everything that ClickFunnels does or System.io does. With Builderall, you are covered. But some people might want only a few tools to do what does the sales funnel software do. So maybe, we don't know why, but maybe they want something else than Builderall. So in this case, why would you let others have those people as customers? You can also promote the software and give the choice to people. You don't want Builderall for whatever reason, I recommend Builderall, but if you don't want, maybe you will want another one. There are many software. So I show you this one, and that's how you can do it. Now, as an affiliate marketer, maybe you are promoting also ClickFunnels and Builderall, but maybe you can add this one. And then when you speak only about ClickFunnels, you can say, okay, ClickFunnels is the number one because they have 100,000 users now. But just look at this one. It's a competitor, but it's a special one. It's come from France. And look at it. Try it for 14 days and let me know what you think of it. You can speak like this. Just suggest and see what happens. And let me know in the comments if you are starting promoting it in English. Let me know what is the feedback from your audience. What do they think about it as English speakers? Okay, because I know what people think as French speakers, and the figures talk for themselves. It's a very fast growth. So I think it can do the same in English, the English world. But for now, it has not happened because most of the affiliates are French. So like me, imagine if I promote this in English, people are not watching my videos so long, like 15 minutes. It's not happening. But I will try anyway to promote it in English a little bit. Why not? Okay, bye bye.